I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials. Set the starting score to 501, decide who throws first, and prepare a score sheet. First, write each player's name and the starting total. Then have the first player throw 3 darts, subtract the scored points from their total. Once done, pass the darts and mark the new total immediately so both players know the running score. This prevents disputes and keeps the game flowing from the first throw. You now handle the middle of the match where precision matters. After each 3-dart turn, add the turn's points and subtract that sum from the player's previous total. Use simple subtraction and double-check arithmetic, allowed so both players confirm the new total. Make sure to apply bust rules. If the throw makes the total negative or 0 without a required double, call a bust and restore the prior total. Keep tallying each. You finish by aiming to hit exactly 0 with a legal checkout, commonly a finishing double. Announce the intended double before throwing if helpful. Once you reach 0, mark the win and record the final checkout on the score sheet. If numbers don't match or a recount is needed, stop play, review the last recorded turns line by line, and recount subtraction. If uncertainty persists, replay the contested turn to resolve it. This preserves fairness and closes the game cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.